All right, we are nearly finished with our bracket. We're just going to add some fillets to this to round off some of the edges. So I'm going to choose the fillet button, expand this box, and we've got a couple of different fillet sizes that we're going to use. So right now our radius 2 millimeters. I'm going to click right on that 2 millimeters and change that to 12. And then just to get the program to accept that as an input, I usually just click down here. And then there are 6 edges that we are going to fillet at 12 millimeters. And they are the 4 vertical corners along the bottom. 1, 2, 3. I need to get to that back corner as well. 4. And then the 2 inside corners in that middle notch. So 1 and 2. Now if you accidentally click on an edge that you did not intend to click on, usually the easiest thing to do is just hit escape, get out of it, and then try it again. So we should have 6 total. Notice mine says edges 6 selected. So it's those 4 corners along the bottom and those 2 internal corners on the inside notch there. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then I'm going to add another set of fillets with a radius this time of 3. Click here to add it. And now we're gonna fillet pretty much every other surface. However, make sure you do not click on any portion of the holes that you've created. We're not going to fillet holes at all. So, you might be tempted to choose the all fillets or something like that. We cannot do that. So we need to actually go around and click and just be very careful that we click on each edge. If you can't get them all at the same time, that's fine. You can do a few, click OK, click fillet again, and do it again. I'm going to pivot my object around a little bit here, make sure I get all of my edges. Okay, so I've missed that corner right there. It looks like I've gotten everything. Oh, I think I maybe missed one more there. We just want to make sure we get all of those edges, excluding holes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So that thing is fully filleted. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And for this one, let's go ahead and pick a color. I really don't care what color you choose. You can choose any color that you want. I'm going to choose light red for mine. Save it one more time so it saves the color. And now the model is finished. All that's left is to create the drawing file that we need to wrap this thing up.